Bicycles. Bicycles are a great form of transport. They can be cheap to buy, they are easy to store, cost nothing to run, and all the family can use them. The main design for a bicycle is two wheels. Bi means two, and cycle means something that comes around. The first design of a bicycle was in 1817, about 200 years ago. It had two wheels but no pedals, so it was not very successful. Later came the penny farthing, named after two coins, penny and quarter penny or a farthing. The tandem is a bicycle with two saddles, two sets of pedals and two handlebars. It makes cycling easier because two people do the work. Long ago, many people went to work on a bicycle. Grocers delivered shopping by bicycle because there were very few cars. The bicycle was handy for the postman delivering letters. You still see postmen on bicycles delivering your letters today. Two uses for a bicycle. These photographs tell very different stories about bicycles. The boy on the left is from Tanzania in Africa. He is carrying a load of fodder on his bike to feed his family's cattle. On the right is Stephen Roche from Dublin. He won the Tour de France in 1987, the most important cycling competition